Hi there, today I wanted to do an extended unboxing of the new weBoost Home Studio. Why extended? You know, this is exciting because we don't see new cellular boosters every day at Solid Signal. weBoost's last stuff came out, I want to say about a year and a half ago. Who knows? COVID's kind of been a strange one as far as getting time under control. I'm sure you agree. But this new home studio is designed to occupy the lower end, really provide great boost for 1 to 2 rooms. And this has been a tough market for everybody to crack because, of course, there's a lot of inexpensive competition out there. You want to avoid these off brands because honestly, most of them are no good. They're not FCC certified. They're just not going to give you what you need. On the other hand, this weBoost Home Studio is designed to give you real honest boost in a small space. Let's take a look at the unboxing, and then I want to point out a couple of parts that you'll find within the booster. Take a look first at this retail-ready packaging. You know, I love it when I see stuff like this. It shows a lot of effort put in place, and this one is extra retail-ready. Let me explain why. You'll see the top of the box has this information which gives you an idea of if this is the right booster to buy for you. On the side you get a description of the other products that weBoost sells, which is great. If you figure out this is the wrong thing for you, you can see other weBoost products that might work better. But getting back to the actual unboxing, because you want to know what's in there, right? Opening the box is kind of neat. There's a lot of different compartments in here, starting with some information about weBoost. And then you get your AC adapter. You get even more information. You get the signal booster itself, which clocking in at about 5 inches in size is one of the smallest signal boosters that I have ever seen. That's kind of neat. And you do get 2 30-foot lengths of cable. You saw in a previous picture, you also get a barrel connector which connects them. And this is good, high quality cable. This isn't like what you see, really thin cable, cheap cable. Taking a closer look at the antenna itself, this is the outdoor antenna. This is a standard Yagi antenna that weBoost sells. It's a standard Wilson part that's been around for a long time. The frequency range is set to really 4G and LTE frequencies, but there are some 5G broadcasts that actually will work with this booster. It just depends on your carrier. I will advise anybody who gets this booster to keep the box because some of the stuff was kind of hard to find. This is the small antenna that comes with it, the indoor antenna, and it was kind of hiding. You also get outdoor mounting hardware, which was kind of hiding in the box. It took me a little while to find. This is important stuff, and you absolutely have to make sure you have it. So another reason to keep the box for a little while. I really like this small booster because it's compact, because it does have the ability to mount, and because honestly it's just kind of everything that you need. It's not necessarily the sexiest thing in the world, unlike some of weBoost's more expensive products. It doesn't have that high design to it, but what it does have is just good solid quality. Another piece that it comes with is this off-the-rack antenna. This is a standard antenna that weBoost has been selling for a lot of years, and I happen to have this very same one already up on the roof. Be sure to look at our YouTube channel for a basic installation and testing video for the weBoost Home Studio, and shop for the weBoost Home Studio and other weBoost cellular signal boosters now at solidsignal.com.